Hi guys, today I will show you how to import a PST file into an Office 365 mailbox. In this folder I have my PST file that I want to import into my email. First off, we go to the admin portal of Office 365. We need additional permissions in order to complete this. These permissions can be given into the Exchange Admin Center. We go to Roles, Admin Roles. We go to Discovery Management. We make sure that we assign our admin user to the discovery management, and we make sure that permissions for mailbox import and export are selected. I give you one tip: log off into your email account and log back in order to speed up the process of assigning permissions. Next thing, we go into Compliance Admin Center. Into the Compliance Admin Center, we go to Information Governance, we go to Import, and we start a new import job. We give it a name, press Next, we will upload our data. Alright, the first thing is we download Azure AZCopy. This is not a program, this is just a CLI commands for PowerShell that we're downloading and installing. We show the network SAS key. Just make sure that you note this into a notepad. Okay, the next thing we do is we open PowerShell as an administrator. Then we navigate into the folder where our AZCopy is installed. I use tab to autofill the next items. So tab AZCopy, then I pick the AZCopy.exe, then we have to specify our source. This is on the desktop for me, so I pick the source is C users desktop Outlook PST. Then the next thing is the destination, and the destination, that is the SAS key that we have to copy. We place it into the PowerShell with with right-click button, and we close it and we verify with I. Now the file is uploading into the Azure blob, so let's wait 1 minute. So now you can see that the data is successfully uploaded. Now we need to check if everything is fine by going to the Azure Storage Explorer. You can download this from the official Microsoft store. I've already downloaded this. I will open this and I will connect only using the SAS URL we copied earlier. So be careful with sharing this. We click on this icon, we choose blob container. We choose SAS URL, we give it a name, we type the blob container URL, copy, we connect to it. You can see it's adding the new connection, and it's connected. Now we can just see last edit time. You can see that our PST is imported and is successfully. Now we can click up, I'm done uploading my files and I have access to the mapping file, and we click next. Now we have to upload the CSV with the mapping file. I've already placed it on my desktop. I will also place a download link in the description below. In the CSV you actually just link the PST file to the user, his mailbox. So for my example we have the pst.pst. This is Exchange. This goes to the user mailbox. There's no archive and it goes directly into the mailbox. We save this PST. We choose this PST. We validate this. It says it's correct. We press next. And we press submit. Now what will happen is Office 365 will check the CSV and the Azure Blob container just for verify or analyze progress. Just let's wait a minute. After around a couple of minutes, you can see that the import is complete and analyze too. You can click on the job and you can say import to Office 365. This is the last step. If you click this data from the PST will be imported into the user's mailbox. So let's do this. You can also select if you want to filter out some data. I just want to import everything. Next, you see the data size of the PST, submit, and it's done. Now it's just waiting for the import to happen. I just want to give you guys some quick feedback. This is a very low data PST file and this takes a long time. So don't be afraid, just wait and wait until you see the progress bar going up. You can maybe see in the status detail if there are any warnings or errors. But just wait it out and you will see. After this, you will see that the import will be completed and the mails will be imported into the Office 365 mailbox.